Let's talk about projects within Google Cloud. So a project in Google Cloud is a logical grouping of resources, and a cloud resource must belong to a project. So here in the top right corner, you see Exam Pro. That is a name of a project that I have. Though in this course, you'll notice I call it GCP Playground, or I might have a few different names. A project is made up of settings, permissions, other metadata. A project can't access another project's resources unless you use shared VPC or VPC networking peering, and that stuff is going to be related specifically to virtual machines, okay? Resources within a single project can work together easily, for example, by communicating through an internal network subject to the regions and zones rules. Each Google Cloud project has the following: a project name, which you provide, a project ID, which you or Google Cloud can provide for you, a project number, which Google Cloud provides. As you work with Google Cloud, you'll use these identifiers in certain command lines and API calls. Once you give it a project ID, you cannot change it. So be very careful that you get your project ID right, because a good project ID is going to make things a lot easier for you. Each project ID is unique across Google Cloud. Once you have created a project, you can delete the project, but its ID can never be used again. When billing is enabled, each project is associated with one billing account. Multiple projects can have their resource usage billed to the same account. A project serves as a namespace. This means that every resource within each project must have a unique name, but you can usually reuse resource names if they are separate projects. Folders allow you to logically group multiple projects that share common IAM permissions. So that is obviously a huge benefit. Folders are commonly used to isolate projects from different departments or for different environments. Though I do feel like you could utilize tags to get a little bit more, or labels to get more flexibility within a project for permissions. But there you go.